Hi everyone, welcome to the Spring Boot CRUD operations playlist. In this series, we'll build a complete CRUD application step by step using Spring Boot, Spring Data JPA, and MySQL. In today's video, we'll start by creating a new Spring Boot project in NetBeans using Maven. First, go to File and click on New Project. From the list of options, select Java with Maven. Next, choose Java Application and click on Next. Now, we need to provide the project details. Enter the project name of your choice. Then, set the group ID and also define the package name. Once everything is filled in, simply click on Finish. That's it. We have successfully created our new Spring Boot MVC project in NetBeans. Now let's add the required dependency to our project. Open your browser and go to mvnrepository.com. In the search box, type Spring Boot and hit Enter. From the list, click on Spring Boot Starter. Here, select the version 3.5.6, which is the latest stable release. You will see a Maven dependency code. Copy that code, go back to your project, and open the pom.xml file. Inside the dependencies section, paste the copied code. That's it, we have successfully added the Spring Boot dependency to our project. Now, let's add the main annotation to our project. Go to the main class file that was created with your project. At the top of the class, just above the class declaration, add the annotation at Spring Boot application. This annotation is very important because it enables Spring Boot's auto-configuration, component scanning, and allows us to run the application as a Spring Boot project. Now, let's run our Spring Boot application and print a simple message. Inside the main method, we call springApplication.run, first spring.class, args. This line starts the Spring Boot application. After that, we add system.out.println, hello world. This will print hello world in the console when the application runs. Let's build and run the project. First, right-click on the project and select Clean and Build. This will compile the code and download all the required dependencies. Once the build is successful, right-click on the project again and choose Run. The Spring Boot application will start, and in the console, you'll see the message running printed. That's it for this video. We've successfully created a new Spring Boot project in NetBeans, added the necessary dependency, added the Spring Boot application annotation, and run our first application to print running. In the next video, we'll start building our CRUD application by configuring the database and setting up the project structure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.